Akala ko dati, if you're passionate about something, you'll automatically be good at it. Pero, hindi pala ganun. Hi guys, this is Gab, and welcome to another episode of Ngayon Ko Lang Na-Gets, yung podcast ng mga, kaya pala, moments sa adulting, pera, love life, at kung ano-ano pa. Kwento ko lang to, baka sakaling relate ka din. This episode, gusto kong kausapin yung mga dating katulad ko din. Yung hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin sure kung saan sila magaling. Anong career path nila. O kung saan ba talaga sila pupunta. Alam mo yung feeling na halos lahat ng kabatch mo successful na. May savings na, may bahay, may kotse, nakakapag-travel sa iba't ibang lugar. Tapos ikaw, parang lost ka pa rin. If that's you, this episode is for you. Una sa lahat, hindi ka nag-iisa. Akala ko dati kapag passionate ka sa isang bagay, dapat magaling ka na agad. Kung mahilig kang kumanta, baka meant to be singer ka. Kung mahilig kang magsayaw, dapat dancer ka. Kung mahilig kang magpicture, dapat photographer ka. Kaya sinubukan ko rin lahat. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi ko naman sinubukan kumanta eh. Sinubukan ko mag-painting. Sinubukan kong mag-drawing. Naging tattoo artist pa nga ako dati. Dati rin akong pep drummer sa isang university, pero hindi ako natuto mag-drum set. Dati lahat gusto kong itry at madami pa akong gustong subukan. Tapos, umaasa ako na baka ito na. Ito na yung talent ko. Ito na yung career ko. Pero guess what? Hindi pala meant for me. Kasi syempre, gusto nating mahanap yung mga bagay kung saan tayo magaling. Diba? Gusto natin yung may label. Ito ako dito ako magaling. Pero, hindi pala ganun kasimple. Ngayon ko lang na-gets. The only way to know where you're good at is to try, fail, and then try again. Hindi ka failure kung hindi ka magaling sa una. Hindi rin failure kung matapos mong subukan na-realize mong hindi pala siya para sa'yo. And you know what? That's not wasted time. That's clarity. Kasi sa bawat attempt na hindi para sa'yo, brings you one step closer to what is for you. Alam mo ba yung difference ng not for me and not yet? Not for me is when you tried and you realize it doesn't spark joy or fulfillment. Pwedeng, oo, magaling ka nga sa bagay na yan, pero hindi ka naman fulfilled. And not yet is when you're just starting. You're still bad at it, pero gustong gusto mong i-pursue. And consistency is the bridge between hindi ko kaya at wow, ang galing ko na pala. So don't quit too early. Don't confuse not yet and not for me. Kung napapanood mo to ngayon at feeling mo lost ka, let me tell you this. You are not late. You are not behind. You are on your own timeline. Minsan kasi, akala natin may race, karera. Sabi nga sa kanta ng Bini, di ba? Ang buhay ay hindi karera. Paano ba naman kasi? Lagi ko naririnig na si ganito may pamilya na, si ganito, successful na, si ganito, may business na, si ganito, si ganyan. Pero ikaw, naghahanap ka pa lang. The truth is, hindi ka huli. Kasi bawat tao may sariling pacing. Doesn't mean you're not moving. Kasi right now, every little attempt, every little try, that's progress. Progress. Kaya kung may mga bagay ka na gusto mong subukan, kahit singing, writing, cooking, or even starting a small business, subukan mo. Malay mo, doon mo mahanap yung strength mo. And if hindi siya para sa'yo, huwag ka mag-alala. Okay lang yan. You learned, you grew, you moved forward. I want you to remember these lines. Hindi lahat meant for you, pero lahat ng susubukan mo may matututunan ka. Consistency turns effort into excellence. Hindi ka nag-iisa sa pagiging lost, and being lost means you're still moving. Kung umabot ka sa point na to at pinapanood mo pa rin to, take this as your sign. Huwag ka matakot mag-explore. Huwag kang mapanghinaan ng loob. Darating yung panahon at makikita mo na, ito pala yung para sa akin. So, ngayon ko lang na-gets. You only discover where you truly shine by allowing yourself to explore, fail, and grow. Hindi ka late, hindi ka talunan. Continue exploring. And that's beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to share your ngayon ko lang na-gets moments, share it with me. Malay mo, yan yung susunod nating episode. Once again, this is Gab and I'll see you next time dito lang sa Ngayon Ko Lang Na-Gets.